Hey guys, it's Alan with My Baby Detailing. Today I'm going to show you our process on the 2-bucket hand wash. So one of the key parts to our 2-bucket hand wash here is our grit guards. Our grit guards is mainly to prevent the water coming back up after we wash the panel.
Then we move on to the hand wash. First thing we do is pre-rinse, then on to soaking the car. Just like the wash, we start from top to bottom. Generally, if the wheels aren't too bad, then I'll do them first. Then on to the next step. When washing, we do it panel by panel to make sure we are not carrying any contaminants that may be in the mitt to the next one and possibly causing scratches. Then after the wash, we move on to our drying step. When drying, we use microfiber drying towels. After getting the bulk of the water off the car with the towels, we move on to the air force. With this tool, I dry out all the crevices and get the wheels ready for the tire shine. Now on to the final step of the drying process, our door jambs.
Alright guys, and that was the process on our hand wash. If you're interested in getting it booked with us, comment below or give us a call. And that's it for this video.